Hello students, today we are going to learn the topic addition and subtraction for class 4 students. Let us start with addition. Do you know how to add numbers? Do you know why we need to learn about addition? Well, addition is super important because it helps us in so many fun and exciting ways in our daily lives. Let's explore the fantastic world of addition. Addition is like putting things together to find out how many you have in total. For example, if you have 3 toys and your friend gives you 2 toys, then you have total 5 toys. We use addition to find out the total number of items, people, or even the yummy candies we have. For example, 5 balloons plus 3 balloons is total how many balloons? So, 5 plus 3 equals how much? Suppose we have 5 fingers here and 3 fingers here, we will be having 8 fingers in total. Let us learn the addition of 4-digit number. Example 1. Add 5433 and 1522. Arranging the numbers in the column form and adding column-wise, we have the last 2 digits of 5433 and 1522 at tens and ones place. The first 2 digits of 5433 and 1522 at thousands and hundreds place. So, here is how the arrangement looks like. Now, adding the digits at thousands, hundreds, tens and ones place, we get 3 plus 2 equals 5 at ones place, 3 plus 2 equals 5 at tens place, 4 plus 5 equals 9 at hundreds place and 5 plus 1 equals 6 at thousands place. Hence, the answer is 6955. So, additive tip is, to add 2 or more 4-digit numbers, we add the ones, the tens, the hundreds and the thousands. Now, let us try adding the numbers 3437 and 4689. Arranging the numbers in the column form and adding column-wise, we have these digits at thousands, hundreds, tens and ones place. Now, adding the digits at ones place, we get 7 plus 9 equals 16. 6 is the result of addition while 1 is carried over to tens place. Adding the digits at tens place we get 8 plus 3 plus 1 equals 12. So, 2 is the result of addition at tens place while 1 is carried over to hundreds place. Adding the digits at hundreds place, 4 plus 6 plus 1 equals 11. 1 is the result of addition at hundreds place while another 1 is carried over to thousands place. Now, adding the digits of thousands place, we get 3 plus 4 plus 1 equals 8. Hence, the final answer is 8126. Now, can you try to add these two 4-digit numbers on your own? 2345 plus 6789? The answer will be 9134. Now, let us learn the addition of 5 and 6-digit number. Method to add 5 and 6-digit numbers is: Step 1. Add the ones. Step 2. Add the tens. Step 3. Add the hundreds. Step 4. Add the thousands. Step 5. Add the 10,000. Do not forget to carry wherever required. Step 6. Add the lakhs. Example 1. Add to 5603 and 1 to 396. Arranging the numbers in the column form and adding column-wise, we have last 3 digits of the numbers at ones, tens and hundreds place. First 2 digits of the numbers at 10,000s and thousands place. Adding the digits we have 3 plus 6 equals 9 at ones place. 0 plus 9 equals 9 at tens place. 6 plus 3 equals 9 at hundreds place. 5 plus 2 equals 7 at thousands place. And 2 plus 1 equals 3 at 10,000s place. So, the answer of addition of 25,603 and 1 to 396 is 37999. Second example is, add 171 to 5 and 13799. Arranging the numbers in the column form and adding column-wise, we have these digits at the lakhs place, 10,000s place, thousands place, hundreds place, tens place and ones place. Adding the digits starting from ones place, we have 9 plus 5 equals 14, where 1 is carried forward to tens place. Adding the digits at tens place, we will get 2 plus 9 plus 1 equals 12, where 1 is carried forward to hundreds place. Adding the digits at hundreds place, we get 1 plus 7 plus 1 equals 9. Adding the digits at thousands place, we get 7 plus 3 equals 10, where 1 is carried forward to 10,000s place. At 10,000s place, we get 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. At lakhs place, we have 1 only, which is written as it is in the answer. So, the answer of adding the digits 171 to 5 and 113799 is 130924. Can you try to add these to 5-digit numbers on your own? 34567 and 45,678. The answer will be 80245. Let us solve world problems on addition now. Problem is, an LED TV costs 21,235 rupees. An air conditioner costs 11,354 rupee more. What is the cost of the air conditioner? What is the total cost of both the items? Here, cost of LED TV equals 21,235 rupees and the air conditioner costs 11,354 rupee more than the LED TV. So, to find the cost of the air conditioner, we add 11,354 rupee to 21,235 rupees. Arranging 21,235 and 11354 and adding column-wise, we get 21,235 rupees plus 11,354 rupee equals 32589. So, cost of air conditioner equals 32,589 rupees. Now, we want to find the total cost of both the LED TV and the air conditioner. To do this, we add the cost of the LED TV and the air conditioner. Arranging 21,235 and 32589, we get 53824. Total cost of both the items is 53,824 rupees. Let us now see the properties of addition. Addition has some special properties that help us add numbers easily. Order property, you can change the order of numbers and the answer will be the same. For example, 2023 plus 5,453 will give the same answer as 5,453 plus 2023, which is equal to 7476. The order doesn't matter. You still get the same sum. 5 plus 3 equals 8. And 3 plus 5 also equals 8. Zero property, adding 0 to a number doesn't change the number. For example, 23 plus 0 equals 23. 5,453 plus 0 equals 5,453. If you add 0, the number stays the same. 3 plus 0 equals 3. Grouping property, it doesn't matter how you group the numbers. The sum will be the same. For example, let's add 6,038 plus 7,767 plus 8,437. Grouping 6,038 and 7,767 and adding them to 8,437 gives the same result of 22,242. Which grouping 7,767 and 8,437 and adding to 6,038 gives. So, group the numbers any way you like, the answer is still the same. Students, let us now learn about subtraction. Do you know how to subtract these numbers? Do you know why we need to learn about subtraction? Subtraction is like taking things away to find out how many are left. For example, you have 3 toys and your friend takes 2 toys away from you. Then, you will be left with only 1 toy. We use subtraction to find out how many items, people, or yummy candies are left after taking some away. So, 5 balloons minus 3 balloons will be equal to how many balloons? Or 5 minus 3 will be equal to how much? Let's say we have 5 standing fingers and we subtract 3 fingers from it. We will be left with 2 fingers. Let us learn the subtraction of 4-digit number. Example, subtract 5433 and 1322. Arranging the numbers in the column form and subtract column-wise, we have last 2 digits at ones place and tens place. First 2 digits of the numbers at thousands and hundreds place. Arranging the numbers in the column form and subtracting column-wise, we have at ones place 3 minus 2 equals 1. At tens place, 3 minus 2 equals 1. At hundreds place, 4 minus 3 equals 1. At thousands place, 5 minus 1 equals 4. So, the answer is 4111. Edurof tip for subtraction is, to subtract two 4-digit numbers, we subtract the ones, the tens, the hundreds, and the thousands step by step. Let us now learn the subtraction of 5 and 6-digit number. Method to subtract 5 and 6-digit numbers. Step 1. Subtract the ones. Step 2. Subtract the tens. Step 3. Subtract the hundreds. Step 4. Subtract the thousands. Step 5. Subtract the 10,000. Do not forget to carry wherever required. Step 6. Subtract the lakhs. What is minuend and subtrahend? Suppose the question is 576 minus 340. Out of this 576 is minuend and 340 is subtrahend. Minuend. Larger number from which the smaller number is subtracted is called the minuend. Subtrahend. Smaller number which is subtracted is called the subtrahend. Let us learn subtraction of 5-digit numbers. Subtraction of 5-digit numbers with borrowing. Subtract 7 to 456 from 9 1 to 40. Arranging the digits column-wise, we have 0 and 6 at ones place, 4 and 5 at tens place, 2 and 4 at hundreds place, 1 and 2 at thousands place, 9 and 7 at 10,000s place. Now, subtract smaller number from bigger number and start subtracting from ones place. Since 0 is smaller than 6 at ones place, we borrow 1 from 4 at tens place and the 0 becomes 10. Then, we subtract 6 from 10, giving the digit 4 at ones place. Now, doing similar subtraction at tens place. Since 4 has borrowed 1 to 0 at ones place, it now becomes 3 and 3 is a smaller number than 5, so it needs to borrow 1 from 2 at hundreds place. It now becomes 13 and subtracting 5 from 13 gives the digit 8 at tens place. Now, doing similar subtraction at hundreds place. 2 becomes 1 as it has borrowed 1 to tens place and 1 is smaller number than 4, it borrows 1 from 1 at thousands place and becomes 11. Now, subtracting 4 from 11 we get digit 7 at hundreds place. Doing similar subtraction at thousands place. 1 at thousands place has now become 0. It borrows 1 from 9 at 10,000s place and becomes 10. Now subtracting 2 from 10 gives the digit 8. Finally, doing the subtraction at 10,000s place. Since 9 has given its 1, it becomes 8 itself, and subtracting 7 from 8 gives us the number 1. So, answer of this subtraction is 18784. Let us learn the subtraction of 6-digit numbers without borrowing now. Subtract 472456 from 997569. Arranging the numbers column-wise and subtracting starting from ones place, we get 9 minus 6 equals 3. 6 minus 5 equals 1. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 9 minus 7 equals 2. 9 minus 4 equals 5. So, the answer is 525113. Let us solve a word problem now. A factory produced 2,80,575 LED bulbs in 2017. In 2018, it produced 3,50,780 bulbs. By how many bulbs did the factory's production increase? A factory made 2,80,575 LED bulbs in 2017. In 2018, the factory made 3,50,780 bulbs. We want to find out how many more bulbs were made in 2018 compared to 2017. Write the number of bulbs made in 2018 is equal to 3,50,780. Write the number of bulbs made in 2017 is equal to 2,80,575. To find the increase, we subtract 2,80,575 from 3,50,780. 0 at ones place becomes 10 by borrowing 1 from 8, and 10 minus 5 gives the answer 5. Since 8 has given 1 to 0, it becomes 7 itself, and 7 minus 7 is 0. 7 minus 5 is 2. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now, since 5 is smaller than 8, it borrows 1 from 3 and becomes 15 itself. 15 minus 8 is 7. At the end, 3 becomes 2 as it borrowed 1 to 5. Now, 2 minus 2 becomes 0. The answer is 70,205. The factory made 70,205 more bulbs in 2018 than in 2017. So, students, let us now learn the concepts of addition and subtraction together. Sometimes, we need to solve problems using both addition and subtraction. In such cases, we first add and then we subtract to get the final answer. For example, simplify 5,109 minus 3,178 plus 12863. First, we add 5109 and 12863. 5109 plus 12863. Starting from ones place, 9 plus 3 is 12. 2 is the answer of addition at ones place and 1 is carried forward to tens place. Adding at tens place, 6 plus 1 is 7. Adding at thousands place, 8 plus 1 is 9. Adding at 10,000s place, 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 plus 0 is 1, so it is written as it is. The answer of addition is 17972. Next, we subtract 3,178 from 17972, starting from ones place. 2 becomes 12 as it borrows 1 from 7. And 12 minus 8 is 4. Now, 7 becomes 6 and 6 is less than 7, so it borrows 1 from 9 and becomes 16. 9 becomes 8 as it borrowed 1 and 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. 1 minus 0 is 1 only. So, the answer becomes 14794. Now, at the end of this video, let us learn estimating sums and differences. Estimating means rounding numbers to make them easier to work with. Then, we add or subtract the rounded numbers to get a rough answer. Example, Mr. Khan bought a mobile for 8,793 rupees and a chair for 3,925 rupees. Estimate the cost of the mobile. Round 8,793 rupee to 9,000 rupees, rounding to the nearest thousand. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on EduRev to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 4. Thank you.